What's going on, viewers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best romantic and inexpensive gift ideas for your wife or girlfriend. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gifts, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first gift idea we've got for you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Bambusi cheese board and knife set. Next up, in our number 4 spot, we've got the Burts Bees Classics gift set. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs gift set. Next up at number 2, we've got the Our Moments Couples Conversation Starter Game. Last but not least, at our number 1 spot, we've got the Luna Bean Keepsake Hands Casting Kit. Alright, viewers, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which gift idea you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.